don't think you could see how much is in there for reals, but whatever. And then my bowl, and I'm just gonna take some Kief and sprinkle it on top of the bud. Do, 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 do. Oh boy. Wow, pretty neat. Let's see. Oh, why is it blurry? Screw you and your technology. Technology! Terrible camera! It's actually not the camera. The camera is fabulous. It's actually the fact that I let my friend borrow this camera and she messed it up. Never let anybody borrow your things. Ever. Life tip from Kayla. Oh, get. Ouch, this camera is heavy. Ooh, alright. I hope you guys know every time I film a video right here, I have to crouch down. Cause like, normal. Crouch down. This is with you propped on something also. I need like 2 things to stack on top of each other to make it taller. Oh, it hurts. Oh my God. Oh, I wish I could smoke outside right now, but it's pitch black. Ow. I think this bowl's dead already. No. I also got my pot leaf lighter. You stay there? No way. Of course, I gotta just crouch a little again. Ugh, nasty. Oops. I have more bud I could grind up, but I don't want to waste video time doing that, so probably take like 3 seconds, but you know, whatever. Is this a good spot? I literally did not know I could put my camera right there and it would stay. Like, what? Good to know, future references. Wow, I'm like not even talking in this video. I'm sorry, guys. Well, I mean, I guess I did. Whoa, that was some trippy stuff. Wow, I wish you guys saw that. But you didn't. Yeah. I got a new nose ring. Can you see? No. No, you can't. I mean, you can see it, but not clearly. It's pink. And very adorable. Very adorable. I apologize for that. That was a cough. That did not sound like a cough. That sounded kind of gross. So I'm apologizing. I know people always get mad at me for things like that. Like, sometimes when I talk, I'll do this like thing. And so many people get so mad about it. And I can't control it. Like, I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm myself. I'm genuine, okay? Take me as I am or leave. No, that tasted really bad. Alright, our bowl's done. Ugh. Ow. Oh. I can't wait until tomorrow. I'm gonna film more videos outside. Well, yeah, I'm gonna film videos outside. I'm really excited. It's been really cold here though, which I don't like. Like right now it's so freezing outside. It says it's 51 degrees, but oh no, wait, never mind. It's 48 degrees. 48 degrees. And it's so cold. And it's terrible. It really is terrible. I need to move away.